How to fix iPhone 11 Face ID not working after screen replacement. So if you want to fix your iPhone 11 Face ID not working after screen replacement, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. And from the settings, you need to just simply scroll down and then you will find an option of software update. So you need to tap on your account and then you may have the software update option, or you can just simply scroll down and go with general and then tap on software update. And if you have any updates on your software, you need to just simply go and update it. After updating your software, you need to come back to your general section and then scroll all the way down and then go with transfer reset iPhone. Now tap on reset and then go with reset all settings. And after resetting your settings, your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, you need to go back and then from here on your settings, you need to scroll down, go with Face ID and password. Enter your password and then scroll down again and you will have an option of reset Face ID. You need to just simply go and reset your Face ID, and after resetting, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the solutions. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.